From the deepest oceans to the highest peaks, our planet is a force of incredible power. It carves landscapes, shapes ecosystems, and sustains life. But sometimes that power turns destructive. Nature's fury, unpredictable, unrelenting, and utterly awe-inspiring. We witness it in the roar of a hurricane, the tremor of an earthquake, the silent creep of a drought. These events remind us of our place in the natural world. They challenge us, they humble us, and they demand our understanding. Our Earth is a dynamic system. It's constantly in motion. Tectonic plates shift, oceans circulate, the atmosphere churns. These are the fundamental processes that govern our planet. They are also the engines of natural disasters. Earthquakes, for instance, are a direct result of these shifting plates. When two plates grind past each other, stress builds up. Eventually, that stress is released. It sends shock waves through the Earth's crust. This is an earthquake. The Ring of Fire, a vast area in the Pacific Ocean, is a prime example. It's where many of these seismic events occur. Hurricanes, typhoons, and cyclones are massive storm systems. They form over warm ocean waters. They draw energy from the heat. This energy fuels their intensity. These storms are characterized by high winds and heavy rainfall. They can cause widespread devastation. The Atlantic hurricane season, from June to November, sees many of these powerful events. Wildfires are another significant natural phenomenon. They are often ignited by lightning or by human activity. Dry vegetation and strong winds can cause them to spread rapidly. They consume forests, they threaten communities, and they release vast amounts of smoke and carbon dioxide. Tornadoes are violent, rotating columns of air. They extend from a thunderstorm to the ground. They are some of Earth's most destructive forces. They form in specific atmospheric conditions. These conditions create instability. Tornado Alley, in the central United States, is a region known for frequent tornado activity. Let's look at some notable events. They highlight the immense power of nature's fury. The 2004 Indian Ocean tsunami was devastating. An underwater earthquake with a magnitude of 9.1 caused it. The earthquake generated massive waves. These waves traveled across the Indian Ocean. They struck coastal communities in 14 countries. Over 230,000 people lost their lives. It was one of the deadliest natural disasters in recorded history. Hurricane Katrina struck the U.S. Gulf Coast in 2005. It was a Category 5 hurricane at its peak. It caused catastrophic damage, especially in New Orleans, Louisiana. Levee systems failed. The city was extensively flooded. Over 1,800 people died. It exposed vulnerabilities in infrastructure and emergency response. Japan experienced the 2011 Tohoku earthquake and tsunami. The earthquake had a magnitude of 9.0. It was the most powerful ever recorded in Japan. It triggered massive tsunami waves. These waves overwhelmed coastal defenses. They caused widespread destruction, and they led to a nuclear accident at Fukushima Daiichi. Wildfires have become more frequent and intense. The Australian bushfires of 2019 to 2020 are an example. They burned vast areas, they destroyed homes, and they had a significant impact on wildlife. Climate change is a factor. It contributes to hotter and drier conditions. These conditions fuel the fires. Tornado outbreaks also continue to occur. The United States experiences many. In recent years, we've seen powerful tornadoes. They have ripped through communities. They have left trails of destruction. These events highlight the need for robust warning systems and for community preparedness. Why do these events matter so profoundly? First, there's the human cost. Lives are lost. Communities are displaced. Livelihoods are destroyed. The emotional and psychological toll can be immense. Then there's the economic impact. Damage to infrastructure is extensive. Buildings, roads, and power grids are affected. Agriculture suffers. Industries are disrupted. The cost of recovery can be billions of dollars. This strains national economies. Environmental consequences are also significant. Ecosystems are damaged. Biodiversity is threatened. Long-term environmental changes can occur. For example, wildfires release carbon dioxide. This contributes to atmospheric warming. But understanding these events is crucial. It allows us to prepare, to mitigate risks, to build more resilient societies. Scientists study these phenomena. They develop better forecasting models. They improve early warning systems. Engineers design stronger infrastructure. Architects create safer buildings. Communities develop evacuation plans. International cooperation is vital. Sharing knowledge and resources strengthens global resilience. Nature's fury is a constant reminder. Our planet is powerful. It is unpredictable. We cannot prevent these forces, but we can learn from them. We can adapt. We can prepare. The human spirit often shines brightest in adversity. After disaster, communities come together. They rebuild. They innovate. They demonstrate incredible resilience. This resilience is our greatest asset. As we move forward, our challenge is clear. We must respect nature's power. We must understand its mechanisms. We must continue to build a future where we live in harmony with our dynamic planet, a future where we face nature's fury not with fear, but with knowledge.